Hey folks, it's Lauren from Snowy's here. I have with me the St. John's Personal Leisure First Aid Kit. It's lightweight, compact, super durable. It's also waterproof. It's perfect for traveling or hiking. So the dimensions, pack dimensions, we're looking at around about 17.5 centimeters long, around 13 centimeters tall, and about 8 centimeters deep. It's also super light, weighing around 500 grams. On the inside, we have got a couple of different sections here. This folds out so your whole first aid kit can fully expand. You've got your scissors, some tweezers, some also like medical waste disposal sort of bags in here, a couple of different manuals, some band-aids, got emergency blanket here, gauze swabs, different sorts of dressings, adherent, non-adherent, combined dressings, and over in this little zip section here, we've got a little information booklet on just super quick first aid, some gloves, tapes, more band-aids, bandages. So as you can see, there's also a fair amount of room here for you to add any bits and bobs or extras to tailor make it yourself. Like for example, antiseptics or topical lotions like Stingos, things like that, that it doesn't come with. It's also got on the back here some webbing straps that you can hook onto your backpack or your belt just for easy access. But that's about it for the St. John's Personal Leisure First Aid Kit. You can get it at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. If you've got any questions or comments, you can chuck them below. You can head here to subscribe or here for more helpful videos. Catch you later, Snowy's fam.